So again a very interesting question from JEE Advanced. Question says a train S1 moving with a uniform velocity of 108 km per hour approaches another train S2 10 km per hour towards S2. S2 is standing on a platform. This is standing stationary on a platform. An observer O moves. Observer is here. This O moves with a uniform velocity 36 km per hour towards S2 in this direction. Both trains are blowing whistles of same frequency 120 Hz. Actual frequency from S2 is F2 120 Hz and F1 120 Hz from S1. When O is 600 meter away from S2, this is 600 meter, O is 600 meter away from S2, and distance between S1 and S2, this is 800 meter. Number of beats heard by O in this scenario is asked. Okay, speed of sound is. So obviously this is the case of Doppler's effect. And what is the formula for Doppler effect? Doppler effect formula. This is observed frequency will be equal to velocity of sound, speed of sound plus velocity of observer upon speed of sound minus velocity of source into actual frequency f. Now we will use this formula twice for both the cases, this and this. What will be the observed frequency from S2 means F2 dash. F2 dash will be use this formula V plus VO by V minus Vs into F. Here in this case speed of sound is given, V is given 330 meter per second. This will be 330 plus V observer is moving with 36 km per hour, that will be 10 meter per second towards S2. So VO will be 10. Speed of observer towards S2. Now again 330 minus source is stationary here, S2 is standing on a platform, so this will be 0 into actual frequency, in this case is F2, that is 120 Hz. This will be 340 upon 330 120. This will equal to 123.636 Hz. Okay. Now what will be the observed frequency from S1 by O? Again use the above formula. F1 dash, this will be equal to V plus VO minus V plus VO upon V minus Vs. F, what is V? Again speed of sound plus VO, velocity of observer towards source, velocity of O towards source S1, but O is moving towards S2 with speed 10 meter per second. So what will be the velocity of observer towards source? This will be 10 cos, this is 53, this will be 10 cos 53 in this direction. this will be 10 cos 53 by V again speed of sound minus Vs velocity of source towards observer, but S1 is moving towards S2 in this direction with a speed 108 km per hour, or that will be 30 meter per second. So what will be the velocity towards observer? It will be 30. This is 37 degree. This will be 30 cos 37 degree into again actual frequency F1 120, and from where we got this 37 and 53. See, if this is theta, this angle is theta, then tan theta will be equal to 600 by 800, that is 6 by 8. So theta will be equal to 37 degree from here. This is 37, this is 90, so this will be obviously 53. I hope there is no issue. By solving this will be something like 131.567 hertz. So what is the number of beats heard by you? This will be the difference between these two observed frequencies from S1 and S2 as observed by O. Okay. So number of beats will be equal to F1 dash minus F2 dash. This will be 131.765 minus 123.636. This will be 9218 hertz. That is approximately something 8.12 to 8.13 hertz. This is the right answer. Again, a very simple question. I hope there is no issue, and also very interesting question. You can solve it in hardly 20 to 25 seconds. Thank you.